First, let's work on the line art. I'll go with these random patterns as I didn't make it sketch. I'll use the contiguous selection tool to define line art boundary. Then invert it to have the inner space as a selection. Holding Alt to exclude empty spaces. Also could be done using an eraser. Make a new layer for fill, using the local selection. Preserve alpha and make overall lighting and shadow. Just use grayscale. We will add color filters later. With a basic brush, defining differences between objects. Then blend each object while keeping edges sharp. It's better to use a blending brush that has a pattern. Blend regarding the desired material feedback. No need to overuse it. I'll switch to this brush for a less blurry looking texture. Now I'll continue polishing edges using this custom brush. Giving idea of how thick this object is. Now to shadow casting. It's not necessary to be completely precise. Just deliver feedback of objects' shapes and distances. Then blend the cast, or keep it sharp as it is. Let's now jump to coloring, using Gradient Map Filter. Erase spaces where this material should not apply. And make more filters for each unique material. A separated layer for bouncing light. Make it lighten of soft light mode. Last, add more details and adjust colors until it matches what you're looking looking for.